Hi, today I want to share with you how to make a double ribbon bow with single-sided ribbon. About 6 to 7 years ago, before I had a scrapbooking class teaching how to make an album, I had to come up with some embellishments. So I played with a ribbon and I naturally made the double ribbon bow. Then I taught the ladies and I found that none of them knew how to make the double ribbon bow. After so many years, I still find that not many people know how to make a double ribbon bow, or at least not the way I do it. So I'm now sharing with you. To start with, let me show you with a narrow but double-sided ribbon first. You grab one end with these two fingers, make a C shape with the thumb and index finger, coil around it like this, one loop, two loops, and grab tight with the index finger and middle finger, and then go half more loop to the upper side in the middle and tuck the tail under in between the space between the index finger and thumb like this, and then go up again and grab this part, tuck the tail underneath and pull tight. And there we have it. This method also works for single-sided ribbon. Once again, grab with these two fingers, form a C shape. And I know that some people make double ribbon like this, but this way it doesn't work for single-sided ribbon, right? So you go like this, two loops, grab tight here, half more loop, and tuck this tail under here. Remember, half more loop. Just let this part stay on the thumb like this, and then take it up again. Take this part, tuck it underneath, pull tight. And both tails also have the right side facing upward, facing the front, like this. I hope you like my sharing today. I also have a video on how to make a single ribbon bow with single-sided ribbon. So you may refer to it, and I hope you find it useful as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.